some burritos today. Burritos.
Tortilla
Tortilla.
with cheese and pepperoni.
Cheese and pepperoni. I'm going to try both of them and see what kind is the best. Okay, I'm going to try this one first. Okay. Good. I'm going to give it, maybe a 5 out of 10.
A $5.10. What's a $5.10? Is it hot?
I kind of cheese at myself. Good. Okay, I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. Both of them are good.
So who made that?
But Tauti,
So what are you asking them?
it's good.
So you're going to tell them to taste with me?
Taste with me. Oh. Let me try the cheese this one because I didn't even try this one yet.
So you like it?
It's a good one, but Tauti.
Try one?
It's good.